Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to receive Solana on Trust Wallet step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Log in using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type SOL. From the results, select Solana on the Solana network, also known as SOL. This will open the Solana token page. Now, tap the Receive button. You'll see your Solana wallet address and a QR code. To receive Solana, copy this wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. Make sure the sender is sending SOL on the Solana network. Important reminder: do not send Solana from another network or wrapped version unless you're sure Trust Wallet supports it. Sending SOL on the wrong network may result in lost funds. Once the transaction is sent, your Solana will appear in your Trust Wallet balance after the network confirms it. And that's it. You've successfully received Solana on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.